What's up, YouTube? So, ribs, right? Spare ribs, pork spare ribs. So I cooked these ribs, man, this weekend. These ribs were pretty sick. So, following along with the same thread as some of the other videos, I've just took my cook and just tried to blend them all together. So, again, it's not really a how-to or how to cook ribs. It's more along, I'm just playing along with the music, trying to work some new transitions. Maybe a little much, I don't know. You guys check it out. Let me know what you think. So don't forget to like, smash the buttons, bang everything you see down there. We'll see how this cook goes. Tell me if you guys like the way I'm kind of doing these, where I'm just kind of doing my cook, filming my cook. You know, I'm filming it all with my GoPro, and then I'm just matching different clips to the music to kind of walk you through the whole cook. So anyway, if you like it, let me know. If you don't, I guess you can let me know too. Either way, so just say something down there. So we'll run that intro. After we finish the intro, we're going to get into the music and the ribs. The seasoning I'm using is AMP. So I don't know if you guys probably haven't heard of it. It's a local Texas company, AMP Products, that has kind of come up with this seasoning. So check it out. Let me know what you think, and we'll run these ribs. Boom. All right, I've already killed like half a rack. We're gonna go for the YouTube taste test. So one out here. Let y'all see that bad boy. So like I said, I've already ran through half a rack, or probably a whole rack. So anyway, till next time, out.